SuperBox S7 Pro Max Ultra. Remote Pairing and Programming Guide. Let's pair the remote with the box. Before the pairing process, the remote operates solely via infrared, requiring you to point it directly at the box with each button press. Additionally, the voice control function remains inactive until pairing is complete. Pairing is a simple process. Click the microphone icon on the left side, or press the mic button in the middle of the remote to access the pairing guide. Then, hold down the OK and return buttons simultaneously for 8 seconds. Once the screen displays "Connected," you're all set. The SuperBox Bluetooth remote also offers a programming feature, eliminating the need for multiple remotes while watching TV. To begin, hold the power button within the TV section until the indicator lights up. Next, press the button within the TV section you wish to program, such as the power button. The indicator will start blinking. Point your TV remote at the SuperBox remote and press the corresponding button, in this case, the power button. If successful, the indicator will flash 3 times and remain on. You can then proceed to program additional buttons like volume up, and volume down. If the programming fails, the indicator will flash 5 times. Simply repeat the process to try again. Press any button outside the TV section to exit programming mode. Now, you can use the SuperBox remote to power your TV on, off and adjust the volume easily.